security are all body cammed. Not only that, on a Saturday, we actually used to have 2 police cars parked in the taxi rank outside.
It
But on a completely irrelevant note, I have now actually got another 4-pack of blades from a Gillette Fusion, and they only cost me a £5.
Oh shit!
One of the smag dude robbed it. Yeah. One of the smags lifted a load of razors, so I went outside and bought some.
I don't blame you. He's got a nice stash.
Yeah.
Go past, mate. My fuck up. Just go past.
He's binned it.
Yeah, there's bend and then there's bend.
There's binned and then there's absolutely fucking full sent it. Yeah, bruv, what you honking for? You can fit.
Car friend, Bellend.
So why is he sat there? Why is he not just gone?